Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial insights. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and BMO Harris? It really depends on your individual banking needs, where you live, and the services you're looking for. Links to helpful resources and products are available in the description below. JPMorgan Chase, a banking giant, offers a comprehensive suite of financial solutions. These range from personal and small business banking to corporate banking, mortgages, credit cards, and wealth management services. With thousands of branches and ATMs across the country, Chase provides convenient in-person banking. Their user-friendly online and mobile banking platform also caters to those who prefer digital banking. A major draw for Chase is its impressive credit card portfolio, offering attractive travel rewards and cashback incentives for both frequent travelers and everyday spenders. Furthermore, Chase provides robust support for small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, with specialized business accounts, flexible lending options, and comprehensive merchant services. BMO Harris, part of the Canada-based BMO Financial Group, has a strong regional presence, primarily in the Midwest and parts of the South and Southwest. BMO Harris prioritizes a customer-centric approach, offering competitive checking and savings accounts, personal loans, mortgages, and small business banking services. While their branch network isn't as extensive as Chase's, customers within their core markets often appreciate their community-focused approach and potentially lower fees on certain products. BMO Harris provides a solid digital banking experience, although it might not offer the same breadth of advanced digital tools or as extensive a credit card rewards program as Chase. Both institutions offer ways to waive monthly maintenance fees by meeting specific requirements. They also provide reliable customer support through various channels, including phone, online chat, and in-branch assistance. In summary, if nationwide coverage, a diverse range of credit cards, and a wide array of financial products are important to you, JPMorgan Chase might be a better fit. On the other hand, if you live within BMO Harris's primary service area and prefer a more localized banking experience, potentially simpler fee structures, and a strong community focus, BMO Harris could be the better choice. Before deciding, carefully consider your financial needs, whether they involve comprehensive services, credit card rewards, or regionally focused operations, to determine which institution best aligns with your requirements.